Did you know that over 96% of people fail at trading Forex? Now, if you want to be one of those people flushing money down the toilet, then go ahead and skip this. Now, for those of you that it just makes sense not to throw money away, and you definitely don't have precious time to waste, because statistics show that it takes over a year in many cases for people to become profitable in the Forex market. Now, let's face it, Forex is a very, very, very lucrative place to be. But the problem is most people do not have a system. And system simply stands for save yourself time, energy, and most of all, money. That's the most important thing here is you got to have a system to make you consistently profitable. And not too long ago, I'm Brian Hill with INYLegacy.com. And not too long ago, I was in the same position, constantly up day and night, charting Fibonacci's, trend line, support, resistance, all these different things trying to learn this skill. But it was not until I found a system based on something much more powerful than this of any human. It's called artificial intelligence. Guys, artificial intelligence is taking over the world as we know it. You got Google, Siri, Alexa. That's just to name a few. If you take a flight on an airplane, guess what? The pilot's not sitting there holding the steering wheel. He's clicking the autopilot button. If you shop on Amazon, guess what? Artificial intelligence is dictating the purchases you make. You know how you search for something on Google? Next thing you know, you go on Amazon. Now everything you search for is right there in your face staring at you saying, hey, come buy me. So if it's already helping you make purchasing and buying decisions, now there's a way for you to use artificial intelligence to create an income for yourself. And that's what made it so super simple for myself and thousands of other people across the globe. Now, I'm a firm believer that documentation beats conversation every single day. So guys, I invite you, go ahead and click that link and it'll give you access to our private Facebook group and more information about how this artificial intelligence can help make you a more consistently profitable trader starting now. Not a year from now, not 2 years from now. So guys, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and click that. I'll see you on the other side.